Hi everyone, welcome to Wake&Tech. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add TikTok to Instagram. You can easily add your TikTok link on your Instagram bio, so keep watching the video till the end to learn how, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you want to add your TikTok link on your Instagram bio, then first go open up your TikTok app from the app drawer. From the home page of TikTok, tap on your profile icon at the lower right hand corner. You'll end up in your TikTok profile. Go to the hamburger menu at the top right hand corner and right where it says Share Profile, give it a tap. Now, under Share To, copy the link of your TikTok account by tapping on Copy Link. Once the link has been copied, go to your Instagram. From the main homepage of Instagram, tap on the profile icon at the lower right hand corner. From your Instagram profile page, tap on Edit Profile. Right where it says Website, go ahead and give it a tap. Now paste in the link that you just copied from TikTok. Now, your TikTok account profile link has been pasted into the website field. Go and tap on the Done button at the top right hand corner. Now everyone who visits your profile will be able to see your TikTok profile link attached on your bio. If anyone gives it a click, then they'll end up in your TikTok profile. That is how you can easily add your TikTok to Instagram. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more tutorial videos like this. Thank you for watching.